children, good morning everyone. Let's start our class. See here children, this is the 9th problem exercise. When a polynomial 2x cubed plus 3x square plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 2 and leaves remainder 2 and x plus 2 leaves remainder minus 2. Find a and b. See here children, here one polynomial is given 2x cubed plus 3x square plus ax plus b. This polynomial is divided by x minus 2. Whenever it is divided by x minus 2, it leaves remainder 2. Okay, whenever it is divided by x minus 2, it leaves remainder 2. And after completion of this division, and again I am dividing this polynomial with x plus 2. Once I completed this division means if I divide it with x minus 2, it leaves remainder 2. Okay, it is completed. I completed this division. Okay, now I am dividing again this polynomial 2x cubed plus 3x square plus ax plus b with x plus 2. Now I am dividing with x plus 2 and leaves remainder in this time. It leaves remainder minus 2. Okay, here we have to divide this polynomial 2 times. One time with x minus 2 and another time with x plus 2. And if you divide with x minus 2, you got 2 as the remainder. And if you divide this polynomial with x plus 2, you got minus 2 as the remainder. So in this case, we have to find a value and b value here. Okay, now see here. So first of all, I am writing what is given in the question. Given, I am taking this polynomial as f of x. So f of x equal to 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b. Okay, this is f of x. Now I am taking this polynomial as p of x equal to x minus 2, and I am taking this polynomial as g of x. Okay, g of x equal to x plus 2. Okay, see here three polynomials. Okay, now I am dividing this f of x with p of x. I am dividing f of x with p of x. So here f of x divided by p of x I am doing. Okay, so in this case take p of x and equate to 0. I am finding the remainder here. I am finding the remainder. Okay, in finding remainder case we have to take x value. So that's why I am taking p of x equal to 0. That means x minus 2 is equal to 0. From this x equal to I got 2. X equal to how much? X equal to 2. Now I am substituting this value in this polynomial. This value in f of x, then only we get the remainder. Okay. So if you substitute that 2 value in this polynomial, f of 2 equal to 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus b. Okay, now I am arranging this one. Okay, so what is f of 2? F of 2 is a remainder. F of 2 is a remainder. We get remainder now. When we solve this, we get the remainder. F of 2 is a remainder here. But f of 2 is given in the question. F of 2 is given in the question. What is f of 2? Remainder is 2. Here f of 2 means what? F of 2 means remainder na. So here remainder is given. What is the remainder given in this question? Remainder is 2 when we divide with the x minus 2. Here I am dividing with x minus 2. That's why x minus 2 I am equating x minus 2 0. I am finding 2 here. Then I am substituting. So if you substitute what is this f of 2 value? F of 2 value is called the remainder. So remainder is given in the question. That's why I am writing remainder here 2 equal to 2 into 2 cube. 2 cube means what? 8. 2 into 8 16 plus 2 square means 4. 3 4s are 12 plus a into 2 is equal to 2a plus b. 16 plus 2 28 plus 2a plus b. Okay, now see here 28 I am sending this 28 to right side, then it is 2a plus b is equal to it is plus 28, it becomes minus 28. 2 minus 28 is equal to minus 26. Okay, I am taking this as This equation as 1. I am taking this as number 1. I am representing with number 1. Okay. Now we got the remainder for this f of x when we divide with p of x. Now I am taking f of x divided by g of x. Okay, so I am taking g of x equal to 0, then x plus 2 is equal to 0, x equal to what? X equal to minus 2. Now I am substituting this x value minus 2 in this polynomial f of x. So see here, f of minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus a into minus 2 plus b. This is minus 2 now. Okay. See here, f of minus 2 means what? F of minus 2 means it is a remainder when we divide it with x plus 2. So when we divide with x plus 2, what is the remainder? Minus 2. So minus 2 equal to, see here, minus 2 whole cube. I already said that if any number, if a negative number have a even power, then the value becomes a positive value. If a negative number have a odd divisor, see here, if a negative number have a even number power, if a negative number have an even power, this becomes a value positive. Okay, if a negative number have a odd number power, then the value is a negative number. Okay, here minus 2 becomes have a 3 as a minus 2 become minus 2 have a 3 as a power. So it is 3 is a odd number, so it is a negative number, so value becomes negative. So it becomes minus 16 plus 12 minus 2a plus b. See here, minus 16 plus 12 equal to minus 4 minus 2a plus b. It is minus 4. If it goes this side, then it becomes plus. So minus 2a plus b is equal to minus 2a plus b is equal to 2. So I am taking this as 2. I am taking this as 2. Now I am solving 1 and 2 here. I am solving 1 and 2. So I am, see here, I am adding 1 and 2 here. Add 1 and 2. So what is 1? 2a plus b is equal to minus 26 minus 2a plus b is equal to 2. So if you add plus 2a minus 2a cancel each other, 2b equal to minus 26 plus 4, so minus 24. So b is equal to minus 24 by 2 equal to minus 1. So I found the b value. Now I am substituting b value in either of these equations. సో మీకు ఇక్కడ b వాల్యూ వచ్చింది కదా, b వాల్యూని ఈక్వేషన్ 2 లో అన్న సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి, ఈక్వేషన్ 1 లో అన్న సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే నేను ఈక్వేషన్ 1 లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాను. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ b equal to minus 12 in 1. Okay, so 2a minus 12 is equal to minus 26. 2a equal to minus 26 plus 12, that equal to minus 14. Then a is equal to minus 7 here. So a is equal to minus 7 I got here. Okay, I found the a value and b value, both the values. Okay, see here children, I am again explaining here. So in this question, if this polynomial is divided with x minus 2, then we got the remainder as 2, and if this polynomial divides with x plus 2, and we got the remainder minus 2. So in these cases, I am first of all forgot what is given in the question. So forgot what is given in the question about reminders. So reminders గురించి ఏవైతే ఇచ్చాడో అది మర్చిపోయింది. సో నేను మళ్ళీ ఏం చేస్తున్నాను అంటే ఫస్ట్ నుంచి రిమైండర్స్ ఫైండ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా? సో ఫస్ట్ ఈ పోలినామియల్ తో p ఆఫ్ x తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే f(2) అనే రిమైండర్ వచ్చింది. f(2) ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ లో, ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? 2 ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి 2 కి ఈక్వేట్ చేసుకున్నాను. ఓకే, సో అలాగే f(-2) అంటే కూడా రిమైండర్ కాబట్టి ఈ వాల్యూని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుంటే వచ్చిన రిమైండర్ కి -2 కి ఈక్వేట్ చేసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన 2 ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటే b a వాల్యూస్ ఫైండ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, okay, see here children, this is the homework problem for you. The polynomials ax cube plus 3x square minus 13 and 2x cube plus 2x cube minus 5x plus a are divided by x minus 2 gives the same number. Find the value of a. See here, if these two polynomials are divided by the same x minus 2, then it leaves remainder, same remainder, it leaves same remainder. Means in these two cases, when we divide with x minus 2, we have the same remainder. So means after finding the remainder, equate both the remainders, okay? Means, so first find the remainder for this polynomial, we have got one value, and next find the remainder for this polynomial, we got another one value. What he says in this question, he says these reminders are same, means values are, both the values are same, so equate both the reminders. Here I got, for example, here I got some 4x, so here I got anything like 2a plus 3 or something, anything 4a plus 5. So equate these both values, okay? So then we got the a value here. Okay children, do this as homework. Thank you children, bye, see you in next class.